Are you a student looking for a new way to make some extra cash? Or maybe you're just curious about starting your own business? Either way, you've come to the right place. In this video, I will be sharing 6 easy online business ideas that are perfect for students. From dropshipping to freelancing, there's something here for everybody. So, sit back, relax, and let's get started. There's no doubt that the COVID-19 pandemic has changed the landscape of education and employment. With so many students now learning remotely and many businesses struggling to stay afloat, it's more important than ever for students to consider entrepreneurship as a career path. The good news is that there are plenty of online business ideas that are perfect for students. Whether you're looking to make some extra pocket money or build a sustainable long-term business, there's an online opportunity out there for all of you. Here are 6 easy online business ideas for students. Number 1, dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model in which e-commerce entrepreneurs sell products without having to carry any inventory. When a store owner receives an order from a customer, they simply contact the supplier, who will then ship the products directly to the customer's door. Dropshipping is a great online business model for students because it is a low-cost way to start an online business. You don't need to invest in inventory or ship products yourself. So if you're a student looking for a great way to start an online business, dropshipping should be a great fit. Number 2, freelancing. Freelancing is a great way to make money online without having to commit to a full-time job. Many different platforms allow you to find clients and work on a variety of projects like 3D modeling, app development, social media marketing, and more. There are a number of online platforms where you can sell your different services like 3D modeling. All you need is a computer and some basic skills in 3D modeling software. Once you've created a portfolio of your work, you can start marketing yourself to potential clients. And with a little effort, you can soon start earning good money from freelancing. When I was in college, I quickly realized that I could make some extra money by using my 3D modeling skills. And I started offering my services on freelancing platforms and soon had a steady stream of clients. And I also made several hundreds of dollars per month. There are many reasons why freelancing can be a great business for students. For one, it can be a great way to add some extra money while you're still in school. Additionally, freelancing can help you build up your portfolio and gain valuable experience in your chosen field. And finally, freelancing can be a flexible way to work around your school schedule. Number 3, Facebook Ads Manager, an essential service for businesses. If you're a student and looking for a way to make some extra money, then becoming a Facebook ad manager could be a great option for you. There are plenty of businesses out there that are in need of someone to manage their Facebook advertising, and as a student, you likely have the time and energy to do this. Plus, it's a great way to learn more about marketing and how to run effective ad campaigns. To get started, simply reach out to businesses in your area that you think could benefit from having someone manage their Facebook ads. Once you've landed a few clients, put together some examples and samples of the successful campaigns that you've run in the past and start pitching your services. With a little hard work and dedication, you could soon be making great money as a Facebook ad manager. There are plenty of reasons why running a Facebook ad managing business is perfect for students. For one, it's a great way to make some extra money while you're still in school. It's also a flexible job, so it can be done around the class. If you're good at it, you can even turn it into a full-time business. Number 4, selling online courses. Another great way to start your online business is by selling courses online. By creating and selling your own course, for example, selling 3D modeling courses in my case, you can reach a wide audience of potential customers who are interested in learning what you have to offer. There are a few different ways to go about selling courses online. You can create and sell your course on your own website or blog, or you can list it for sale on a platform like Udemy or Skillshare. If you're not sure where to start, Udemy is a great option as it offers a wide variety of courses for sale and has a built-in marketing platform to help you promote your course. When creating your course, be sure to include a variety of topics that would appeal to your target audience. You also want to make sure that your course is well organized and easy to follow. Once you've created your course, promote it through social media, your website, or other online channels. Number 5, start a blog or a website. You can start a blog about your favorite topics like 3D modeling and offer content for free. This will attract the attention of other students who are interested in the same things as you. You can then offer paid subscriptions or memberships to your site, which will give you an income. Another way to make money from your blog or website is to sell advertising space. This can be done by signing up for an advertising network such as Google AdSense or Media.net. You can also work with brands and companies directly to sell advertising space on your site. Finally, you can also make money by selling products and services through your site. This could include digital products such as ebooks or online courses, or physical products such as t-shirts or coffee mugs. If you have a niche audience, you can even find companies that will pay you to promote their products on your site. These are just a few of the many ways that you can make money as a student by starting a blog or a website. Another reason for starting a blog or a website can be a great business idea for students is that it allows you to tap into your creativity and share your passions with the world. Whether you're passionate about fashion, food, travel, 3D modeling, or anything else, there's sure to be an audience for you. Number 6, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a great way for students to make money online by finding and promoting products that are relevant to your interest. You can earn a commission on every sale generated. There are a few different ways to get started with affiliate marketing. First, you can find and promote products through an affiliate network. Alternatively, you can work with individual companies to promote their products on your own website or blog. To be successful as an affiliate marketer, it's important to choose products that you're passionate about and that are relevant to your audience. It's also important to build up a large following of potential customers before you start promoting products. Once you have a sizable audience, you can start earning commission on every sale you generate. Overall, there are a number of different ways that students can make, a lot of money online. Whether you're selling courses or starting a blog or a website, anything really, or even you're promoting products as an affiliate, there's sure to be an option that's right for you. With a little creativity and effort, you can start generating income from your online endeavors. So what are you waiting for? Chinese New Year? Get started today. Do you have any other ideas? Let us know in the comments below and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more great content like this.